Okay, guys, this is part 2 of thinking before you post. This is actually going to show you how to complete the assignment, which is either a meme, a poster, or a comic strip depicting one of those 10 things to think about before you post. So again, you're going to go to Google Classroom and where did I put it at? Right here where it says share your meme, poster, comic strip. In the comments, I actually put all 3 websites that you can use to create your illustrations. So if you wanted to do a meme, you're going to go to this capwing.com and it's going to bring you to something like this. And you'll click on start editing and then you'll choose an image. And let's see, let's go Michael Jordan. Michael Jordan. I thought that there was something about him crying. Let me see if I can put Michael Jordan crying and get something. There he is. There he's crying. So I'm going to choose this image. And all I did was click on it. Then I'm going to go to text. And it brings up this right here. And then I can't believe he posted that. And then if you want to add something else, you can. Here's another text box. I can move it down. And then I didn't want everyone to know. And that's it. And then I will export the image. And I can download it. And then open it up. It may take a minute. But once you open it up, then you just save it and turn it in. You're going to turn it in. For some reason, mine's not opening up. Here it is. So here, and then save as, and I'll just save as MJ. Saving a copy, and then I go over here, and then, oops. It won't let me attach anything, so I can either put it as a link, or I can come here, and then now I have the attach, and I can go a file, and then upload, browse, and I saved it as MJ, which should be the first thing there, MJ, because it's a download, so it's in my downloads. And then I go ahead and I post it. And it won't let me post without putting something. And so here is mine. And then I post it. Post it. All right, then it's going to post. That way I've shared it with everybody, but I also need to turn it in because that's how I get a grade for it. So I make sure that I go down to week 3, digital citizenship, meme, poster, or comic strip, and I do it there.